Hi, welcome to something more. I'm Swanan and today I'm going to unbox the SanDisk external solid state drive. Let's start. So I had ordered this few days back on Flipkart and it just got delivered. Here is the main box. Here we can see the marketing on the front and some specifications and pricing on the back. It is 500 GB version and it is retailing for around 8,000 rupees here in India. Here they have also mentioned that it is IP rated, so it is a splash and dust resistant, which is also something a plus. Now let's open the box. Here we can find the SSD sit on the top. And we can also find some paperwork and a cable. The main cable is USB-C to USB-C. Also, they have provided an adapter for USB-C to USB-A for connecting to older systems, which is a nice thing. So, we do not need to buy a separate adapter for connecting it to the older system. And here is the main SanDisk external SSD. Here we can see that it is very handy. It is comparatively very small and lightweight. Here we can see it from different sides. It has some rubberized material, so it is not slippery like some other external SSDs. There is a provision for attaching a hook to and carry it, and you can do it without worry since it is IP rated. The size comparison with my old WD external hard disk. It has no moving parts and very small. We can easily carry it in the backpack without worrying about accidental drops. And since it is an SSD, it has a quite fast read and write speed of up to around 550 Mbps. Here, let's check its speed via a disk speed test application. Here we can check Both read and write speeds are around 400 Mbps, which is very fast. Here are some specifications for the SSD. Here is the SanDisk SSD. You can find the link to buy this in the description. If you like this video, please do like and share. See you in my next video.